What's up, my people? This is your 5-minute stretch. You're going to stretch your entire body in this one. We're going to start with a very simple hanging stretch. Just leave the weight of your body down. Hang in there for a bit. सांस लें. Deep inhale and deep exhale. पैरों में gap है. And slowly start swinging side to side because you want the stretch to travel side to side. And then turn this into windmill circles. Inhale up and slowly exhale down. So you're making a daira. और नोट करो इस दायरे के बीच में मेरा सर है और सर के डायरेक्टली ऊपर मेरे पाम्स हैं. तो मैं ये डायरेक्शन नहीं छोड़ूंगी, ये प्लेसमेंट नहीं छोड़ूंगी, डायरेक्शन को मैं स्विच करूंगी. So I went and did about 2 rotations on one side, so 2 rotations on the other side. Back to the center. Now rotate your chest towards your thigh and breathe. Feel a lovely stretch behind the leg. Breathe into it. And rotate over to side B, chest on thigh. Feel a stretch behind the leg, lengthwise. Keep breathing into it. थोड़े से और खोलो और थोड़ा सा आगे आने की कोशिश करो. ये आपको साइड व्यू दिखाती हूँ. थोड़ा सा आगे आए और कमर फ्लैट करके ऊपर देखा. पैर मेरे थोड़े स्लिप कर रहे हैं सॉक्स की वजह से, वरना you can open your feet at a comfortable level. Once you're done, you hop back in. You bend your knees and you tie your arms around your knees. Your chest is pressed on your thighs and your butt is down. So far, so good for the legs. Shabash. And exhale back to the center. खड़े होके pull the heel into your glute and stretch your thigh. This is for your quadricep. बेशक भी support पकड़ लो. दूसरा घुटना मोड़ के रखो. You want to make this even harder? You can lean forward into dancer's pose. My failed attempt. Sink forward. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. We're going to repeat the same thing on side B. Heel in, leg out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly return. Working your arms. Pull your arm in and out at the same time. Face forward. अंदर पकड़ के pull कर रही हूँ. Shoulder में feel कर रही हूँ. And I switch. Good work. Stand tall. I hope you did a good workout to deserve these stretches. Wah wah. Ab arm goes up. The tip of your elbow behind the head and push your head back. Grab your arms. Breathe. Feel the stretch. Keep it going. Oh, nice. Lovely for me and my back and my life and my soul and my heart. And switch. If you can't grab your arms, it's okay. You can simply press the center of your elbow back with your head. Excellent for your back, shoulders, abs, arms. And now one of my favorites for the back. I stand with my feet slightly apart. I inhale, open my arms. I exhale, lean forward, flat back, facing the floor. Now, as a beginner, जरूरी नहीं आप 90 डिग्री में जाओ. और अगर नहीं जा रहे तो be mindful कि कहीं गलती हो रही है. को ठीक करने का तरीका ये है कि छोटे रेंज ऑफ मोशन से प्रैक्टिस करो. इस स्ट्रेट लाइन की प्रैक्टिस करो. फिर इसकी, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आगे जाओगे. This will take days of continuous practice. Working my legs, my abs and my back. Returning to the floor in hanging position. And finally, I'm going to go into garland pose. I'm going to push my knees away with my elbows, lift my chest up, and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3. Good job. Feeling it in my back only because I'm pushing my knees back with my elbows. Toes out, heels in, pura pair zameen pe. If you're a beginner and you can't hold it for long, keep sitting back. And once you're done, you can slam your palm on the floor and pivot the butt up. Exhale to the center. I feel great. I hope you do too. Keep working out. Warm up, workout, stretch. That's the sequence.